Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we're going to be doing this orange lip combo. Oh, happy National Lipstick Day. It is July 29th when I'm posting this, and I will be posting a whole bunch of lip tutorials together. So I do orange, blue, black, and then I already have red, pink, a vampy lip combo, and nude. So you have lots of lip combos to choose from. In this video today, we will be doing the orange lip combo. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns about anything on the rest of my face, you're like, wait, we're talking about lips, but I want to know about those lashes. Just know I have a tutorial for every single part of my face up on my channel. So check those out as well. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so before I put any lip product on, first we're going to highlight the Cupids Bow. So we're going to use the Estate Makeup Highlighter in Lunar today. It is a cream highlighter. Feel it, see? Nice and smooth. And I'm going to use my finger just because the Cupids Bow is so small. Where is your Cupids Bow? Right there. So where your top lips meet, you might have a smaller Cupids Bow than me, you might have a bigger Cupids Bow than me. They come in all shapes and sizes, but where your top lips meet, that's where we're going to highlight the Cupids Bow. Why? Because we want to add that contrast. It's going to make the Cupids Bow nice and sharp and really accentuate the shape of the lips. So that's why we highlight the Cupids Bow, and that's how we do it. Now let's get into the lips themselves. First, I'm going to line the lips. So I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Liner in Malt. I literally just opened this in my PR unboxing that I posted two days ago. So go check that video out. But this lip liner, I just got it and I already have sharpened it. So I love it. ABH, you did your thing with this one. So how we're gonna line the lips. I like to start in the right corner of my bottom lip. And I'm gonna make one line all the way around the bottom lip. Just like that, right? And as you can see, I'm going a little bit below where my bottom lip technically ends. That's because I like to overline just a smidge, not for size, but for shape. That way it accentuates, you know, a natural lip shape, because I do enjoy it. I do like it. So I'm going to do the same on the top, starting from the inside of the Cupids Bow, going out to the right, and going out to the left. To make those lines straight. Boom. Now I'm going to fill it in just a little bit more. Because the reason I line my lips is not because I want the lipstick to stay on forever. Some people line their lips as like security. Sometimes they line their lips even the same exact color as their lipstick to keep it steady. I don't line my lips for that reason. I line it for color. So this dark color here that we're using, this brown for the lip liner, is going to help with the ombre, right? It also is the boundary, the border. Is going to accentuate the shape of the lips and also give us the brown we need for the color theory, the ombre that we're going to do with this orange. Let's get into the lipstick itself. I'm going to be using the colored Raine Spiked Punch liquid lipstick. Now, the cool thing about these tutorials is you do not need to use the exact same lipstick, lip liner, the products that I use. You can just use the same colors and you'll get the same sort of result. This is a liquid lipstick. I'm going to apply it right into the lips. It's like a burnt orange. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not going to take a flat brush. This is a Morphe M166. You can use a smaller one. You can use basically any flat brush. And I'm just going to kind of blend that brown and that orange together. You can also really use your finger for this step, but I don't like my hands get dirty because I forget. And I have orange all on my forehead. Now I'm gonna go back in with that brown. This is why I tell y'all why we do what steps we do. That's so that you can see it and say, oh, you know, like for example, I'm like, we're missing a little bit of brown. We can add some more brown. You know, the lip liner is what's gonna bring in that brown, that dark shade. And as you can see, I'm going over the orange just a smidgen. That's just because I want to help with the blending in the ombre. If I already had the brown overlapping the orange, it'd be much easier to blend. Very pretty. Now, if you're like me, just heavy-handed, and you got some lipstick up here, I'm just gonna take this sharp, I guess it's a flat brush too, this square flat brush, and I'm just going to very lightly, I didn't put any new product on it, that has foundation on it from earlier. Very lightly swipe that away, / cover that up. You can also do this on the bottom to clean up the lip, if you would like. Now, I'm going to take this About Face liquid eyeshadow in Taxi Driver. And this is because I need a bright orange to apply to the center of the lip. I also tried earlier the NYX Cosmetics Powder Puff Lippie in Crushing Hard. And this right here, I'll just show you what it looks like. This right here is going to give you a little bit of a bright orange. I put it in the center. If it looks familiar, that's because I also use it to highlight the center of the lip when I do my red lip combo. But if you add it to the center of the lip, you're gonna get a smidgen of the orange. So if you want to go for that darker, more burnt orange, you wanna keep it here, you can use the NYX Cosmetics Powder Puff Lippie and Crushing Hard for just a little bit of the bright orange in the center of the lip. I'm also going to try and show you the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint. And this is in the shade Taxi Driver. And I'm going to, you can put some on the back of your hand. I probably will only use this for the lip, so I could just put it right on my lip. And I'm going to apply some just to the center of the lip. From there, there we go. Now, the reason why you apply a light color to the center of the lip is to accentuate the center of the lip. When you add highlights to anything, that's drawing people's eye, that's drawing the eye to that thing. So it's going to accentuate the center of the lip and really round out that ombre, really round out the shape and the definition of the lip. So now all I have to do, because center of the lip is highlighted, is just fix some of this liner up. And there is our orange lip. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, go check out my red lip combo, my pink lip combo, my nude lip combo, my vampy lip combo, and then I have a blue and black up today. So check out my lip tutorial playlist. Happy National Lipstick Day. And if you recreate this, please tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, all at Raggedy Royal. I love to see recreations. I love to see that, you know, you tried it for yourself and you're like, oh yeah, this is flattering on me. Or maybe perhaps you never thought about wearing orange lipstick and you're like, girl, you got me doing something crazy wearing orange lipstick. So let me know on the other socials and down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. We are getting close to 50,000 subscribers, so thank you in advance for that. We are moving on up. And yes, if you want to see more of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Raggedy Royal. On TikTok, I do a series called the Bucket List Series where I try different foods, activities, cuisines, challenges, and now I'm bringing it to YouTube Shorts and Instagram. So if you see some crazy girl doing crazy things on here, it might be me. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.